Hi, it's Krista at The Secret Yarnery. Welcome to another small crochet channel shout out. This channel you are gonna love. Today's small crochet content creator channel shout out goes to Tess Loves Crochet. Tess is an amazing creator. She is so sweet. She gets those Maxim yarn boxes. She loves a subscription box and lots of yarny goodness over on her channel. She has, let me tell you some stats, 12,600 subscribers, which is amazing, 407 videos. So that is good crochet company right there. And she started in January 31st, 2020. So that is great. She's been doing it for 5 years. She is going through some health issues right now. So I would just like to shout her out. I want all of us to pop over there, give her a like, give her a subscribe, give her some watch time while she goes through this stage of life. And we just wish her all the best. And let me just read what she says about herself on her channel in her description. She says, "Hello, my name is Tess and I live in the state of Missouri, which is in the middle of the USA. I'm a retired autism teacher, wife to my very own Superman, mother to 3 awesome kiddos, and a very bossy pit bull. I'm an avid knitter and crocheter who loves yarn. I also enjoy card making and scrapbooking." I love that. I feel like I missed my calling of scrapbooking. Okay, hold on. This channel will have crochet talks, crochet tutorials, knitting tips and techniques, yarn unboxing, yarn reviews, hook and needle reviews, and other miscellaneous topics related to yarn, knitting, and crocheting. I'm so glad you stopped by. If you love yarn and enjoy any of my videos, please consider subscribing. I would be tickled pink to have you join my little YouTube family. Yay! Well, Tess, I am just so glad that we can pop over and do all of that for you. Your channel is amazing. It's very comforting. It's just nice to know that we can always pop over to your studio and hang out with you. And I really appreciate that. So we found out about Tess. She was recommended in the comments on the first shout out video, which was for Gum Leaf Crochet Jill. So someone mentioned there and I checked it out. I was like, yes, we have to totally do that. So thank you so much. And if you do recommend a channel, I keep track of it. And when we can squeeze it in, I will. So this one here is for Tess. Hop on over to her channel, watch some of her content, give her a thumbs up, share on your socials if you can, and definitely subscribe. And I'm going to be waiting for you in the next video. Well, the next video is up there, but then tomorrow, that was pointing to tomorrow. Tomorrow's right there. Tomorrow. You're going to love it again. So stop back tomorrow and stay hooked. Okay. Are you zoomed in or something? How close are we? We're like touching. I tell my dog does that. I'm like, we're pretty close. We're touching. Okay. Okay. I've got to get my notes. Got to get my phone. Make sure the world is calm. All right. Now, what I'm going to tell you. Oh no, I'm not going to tell you nothing. Surprise. Did I say hi? It's Krista? I don't know. I love this shirt so much. Okay, I gotta go. Stay home.